Types of industry-specific applications. Manufacturing and engineering. These products are designed for manufacturing and engineering firms to help them in production and inventory management. Some software products in this category cover a specific area of the production process, for instance, research, design and development, processing or machining. You'll also find products that offer a complete solution to production management, from idea to the final product. In addition to engineering and production management, these solutions are also used for sales management, product information management, inventory and asset tracking, project collaboration, logistics and order management. Some solutions even allow you to perform HR tasks and resource planning. Plant management system. It is a system which monitors the plant operation and compares it with the computed optimum operation on a continuous basis to provide results for analysis of power plant performance, optimization of controllable parameters and diagnostics of faults. Production management. The production management solution contains a complete set of modules, covering planning levels from demand and sales planning through flow and order planning to detailed scheduling. Order life cycle management, including production order generation, order combination and fulfillment tracking, go hand in hand with production execution to monitor and control all production activities. Embedded quality management and control with integrated deviation management determines the detailed quality status and allows you to manage any product defect. Research and development. These are the engineering types who are typically hired for their technical skills. They love to make stuff, they like challenges, and are fond of solutions that don't just work, but work elegantly. Some companies split pure research from development. A good R&D department needs input from customers to understand what the real problems are. A bad R&D department elegantly solves tough technical problems that no one cares about. Quality control. It's the job of the QC folks to make sure that what comes out of production works. In company that manufactures stuff, they will devise tests that every product must pass before it is shipped. In a software company, QC usually works with the developers to find bugs. Shipping. Big companies and those that deal with big or delicate or expensive or huge numbers of items will have a separate department devoted to packaging and shipping the stuff quickly and efficiently. Sometimes figuring out the fastest and cheapest way to deliver the stuff becomes very complicated and is called logistics. Customer support. Once the product is in the customer's hot little hands, they'll contact customer support if they have questions or anything goes wrong. Companies want to spend as little on CS as possible, so they should invest a lot of time in building reliable, robust and easy to understand products. But they can also cut costs by outsourcing CS and putting up online support forums so customers can help each other. Marketing. It's marketing's job to understand what customers need and will pay for. This can be a challenge because sometimes the customers themselves don't know. There are two kinds of marketers, the listeners and the talkers. The listeners try to understand what people want by figuring out what their problems are and finding out what solutions will work. The talkers tell people what their problems are and show them how the company can solve them. Both can be successful. Examples of manufacturing and engineering industry software providers: Aviva, Dassault Systems, Digital, Honeywell Connected Plant, Oracle, Rockwell Automation, Siemens Digital Industries.